Welcome back to another intriguing episode of Body and Mind. This is where we share real benefits of fruits and healthy living. Today we shall be talking about the health benefits of mango. Stay tuned and enjoy. Mango is popularly known as one of the most nourishing, delicious, and revitalizing tropical fruits. Apart from the health benefits it offers, it is mostly enjoyed due to the virtue of its divine taste. Mangoes are grown in different varieties, and all of them are equally enjoyed by people of all ages. The fruit is not only eaten, but also hand-squeezed to get the pulp to make juice. Mango juice is an excellent source of vitamins, nutrients, and microelements, and is also very effective for weight loss remedies. Freshly squeezed mango juice is also a tremendous source of iron, which is very important for pregnant women. This iron-rich tropical treat is also beneficial to prevent and treat anemia, reduce traumatizing effects of depression, and ease muscle pain. Mango juice is equally important for people of all ages. You can buy it from stores or make it fresh at home. Freshly squeezed mango beverage is more nutritious as it does not contain preservatives or substitutes. You only need to peel the mango skin and carve out all the pulp from the seed. You can either fuse the pulp in a juicer with orange juice or milk for a luscious mango shake. We all love mangoes, so let's get into this fruit's healthy secrets. The various benefits of eating mangoes are anti-cancer. The phenols in mangoes such as isoquercetin, quercetin, fisetin, astragalin, gallic acid, and methyl gallate, as well as the abundant enzymes, have the capacities of preventing cancer. Eye health. 1 cup of sliced mangoes provides around 25% of vitamin A, required to promote good eyesight. Helps in digestion. Mangoes have the necessary digestive enzymes that help treat down proteins and support good digestion. Healthy skin. Mangoes have the power to relieve clogged pores of the skin. Helps in diabetes. Mangoes also play a beneficial role in normalizing the insulin levels in the blood. For better sex, the vitamin E present abundantly in mangoes regulates the sex hormones and increases the sex drive. Beneficial for anemia. Mangoes are very beneficial for pregnant women and individuals suffering from anemia due to iron deficiency. Boost memory. Mangoes contain glutamine, which helps to boost memory and makes cells active, improving the concentration level. Weight gain. Mangoes also are beneficial for people wanting to gain weight. Unripe mangoes contain starch, which gets converted into sugar as the fruit ripens. Hence, ripe mangoes, rich in sugar, when consumed with milk, help in weight gain. Now, who would not love to eat mangoes, especially after coming across such wonderful benefits? Mangoes are really a good source of energy and fitness during summer times. I hope you liked today's video, and if you do not hesitate to like, subscribe, and comment on more benefits of mango.